Hi and welcome to Designer Savvy. Today we have one hot mess behind this door. We're going to do some pantry organizing, and if that sounds good to you, let's get started. If your pantry is a complete disaster, then you're going to be right at home here. Okay, so just know that you've been warned. I told you, one hot mess. So I have reorganized and redone this pantry multiple times in the last couple of years and tried different ways and different systems, and nothing's worked like I'd like it to yet. So I have these systems that I got from Walmart. A little closer so you can see. So, gonna try these out for my canned goods. Have two of those. Might have to go back to Walmart and get some more. But we're going to see how it works. So what I'm going to do first, I am going to get everything out of here, and then I'm going to lay it out, and then I'm going to add back in the things that need to go back in there and not the things that don't need to go back in there. So sit back and enjoy. So I wanted to get you a little closer so you can see exactly what I have in this pantry up close. So on the top up there is where I keep items that we use for outside eating and entertaining. And these are my larger kitchen appliances on this shelf. So we have the wire shelving underneath, and I just kind of wanted to add a nice little decorative touch. And it kind of keeps things a little more quiet when you're getting cans and stuff in and out of here, and glass jars and whatnot. And it's pretty, so I like that. So this is where I removed all of the canned goods and the glass jars of pasta sauce and all that kind of thing. So right here we have a hodgepodge. We have soda, we have cereal, we have nuts, we have crackers, we have potatoes, we have a lunch bag here. And down here we have vinegar, we have vegetables, and too many cookbooks. Down here we have some more larger appliances and paper towels, some extra shelf liner, and then down below when we have our visiting pets, we've got that down here, and just some added-in items. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly what all's down there. So stay tuned. I'm going to continue to clear this out, and then I'll show you the progress. So cleaning out the pantry this way also allows you to be able to sort things and look at dates on your canned goods and your jars to make sure nothing is expired or about to expire. As I go, and once everything's all laid out, then I'll get a better idea of what kind of containers I want to put anything in. With it being in the pantry, I feel like I need to see it, because if I don't see it, I think I won't use it. And so I'm trying to come up with a happy balance there of what's going to work well for me, what's going to look good, and that kind of thing. So you can't see, but I've got some of my containers over here on the kitchen table. So as I clean out and sort, I'll see what containers I have, and I might have some more downstairs that I could bring up as well. But once everything's out, then I'll get a good idea of how I want to place it back in this space. So on that shelf right there are all of my cookbooks, my recipe box, and recipes that I've saved or torn out of magazines. So this seemed like the logical place for it because it's near the kitchen, but I am almost never in there looking for recipes. So there have been a few occasions that I have, but that is taking up valuable real estate in there, and I think I can find a better place for it, even if it's in storage downstairs, until I decide what to do with all of those. I might keep some and I might not. So one of the neat things about lining your pantry with decorative liner like this is it does catch the crumbs, and all you have to do is walk over to the sink, give it a quick dump, and put it back in the pantry. One of the things that I did do in there is I used two-sided tape to stick the paper onto the wire shelving just to keep it still so it doesn't move so much. All right, we're getting there. 3 shelves are empty and we have 3 more to go. So a few tips that I have for you. What you want to use on the shelves right here in front of you that's within easy reach are the items that you're going to use the most on a daily basis. And the 2 top shelves I'm going to use for items that I don't use often, that I use very infrequently. My larger appliances, and like I said on the very top, plastic trays and things like that, plastic cups for special entertaining or outdoor entertaining. So now I'm going to put together this 3-tier adjustable can organizer, and it was $13.97 from Walmart. So to show you what this looks like, it comes in pieces. So this is one piece, folds over like this, and then it has 3 individual ones of these to hook onto it. So I decided to use some wood to put my cans on to elevate them instead of the 3-tier can organizer. I put that together, put it in there, didn't work right. So I went and cut some wood in the basement. I already had some wood that was already cut, actually shelving to an old entertainment center that we no longer have. So glad we saved that. So I'm going to go this route and start organizing, and we'll see how. So I had to run out for a little while. I needed some more containers to finish my job of cleaning out this pantry, and found these adorable jars at TJ Maxx. And they even came with chalk. Such cute little chalkboards on the front of them. And the jars were $2.99 each. Amazing. Love TJ Maxx. These cute baskets came from Marshall's. The one on the left is $14.99. The one on the right is $5.99. Here's more storage items that I found when I went out shopping today. I was at HomeGoods, Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, and Michael's. So to get the best deals, I came home with things from Ross, Marshall's, and TJ Maxx. I got one item at HomeGoods. I think it was bag clips for potato chip bags. So make sure that you do try and find your best deals. These stores that I just mentioned, and this is not a sponsored video, they are usually where I find the absolute best prices, the best deals, and find usually either exactly what I'm looking for or close to exactly what I'm looking for. So I'll put these things together. I'll find what's going to work best in my pantry, and I'll check back in with you shortly. So here are the 6 jars that I got from TJ Maxx. They were $2.99 each. Can you believe it? And they each came with a box of chalk. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. I think it looks pretty doggone good. So I'll bring you in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I have done. Let's take a look at what we've got here. Top shelf we have our teas. Second shelf we have our sugar-free items. We have our hot chocolate station. We have oils, syrups, and honeys. We have our oatmeal station. We have our spices. I don't use a ton of spices. There are some that I use repeatedly, so that's what I keep. Here we have the canning station and some packs of Kool-Aid, some salad dressing. Bottom shelf, nuts. We do love nuts. It's a healthy snack, so we enjoy that. Top shelf. That's the same as it was before. I've not changed it. That's our outdoor dishware. Second shelf, these are majority of our appliances. There is not room to put those in pretty containers. There's no room here, so we're going to keep that as is. The shelf is our canned goods. I did cut some wood from downstairs, had some existing wood already cut. Use that. So I can use the stair-step method here with the canned goods. I have used the plastic and expandable plastic stair-step things before in here. Didn't work only because the stair part of them was not wide enough for some of the larger cans, like my Prego soups and such. So, and it never would expand enough and be long enough. So this is going to work just great. I've tried many different methods, and this is the one that I prefer now that I have the wood in place and it's wide enough. Okay, so we have clear containers here on the left. I have the glass jars in the one on the left there, taco sauce, mustards, condiments, ketchup, pickles, vinegars. Right here I have my homemade jellies and jams and some chocolate syrup. Anything in a packet, that's what'll be good right here. I have rice and croutons. And right here I have the glass jars that I got at TJ Maxx. And I'll turn one around for you. As you can see on all of my glass jars, I do put the label on the back, and it has the recipe for the pancakes. This is pancake mix, and it has the expiration date on there. I do not like to mix different pouches of anything on top of something already existing, because that way you don't know what's old, what's new, so it kind of defeats the purpose there. Down here I have my 2 containers with my gluten-free products in that. We have some taco shells right here, some popcorn, crackers, cereals. I did not put cereal in a glass container. I don't think my husband would like that, because he likes to grab a box of cereal. If he's got 5 minutes to rest, to sit on the sofa, he will go take some cereal if it's between meals, or if he needs a snack while he's up working in his office. He likes to carry the box up. I can't imagine him carrying a glass jar to another room for the cereal. We have some more of our items that we use pretty frequently right here. The George Foreman grill to the left, and then we have the crock pot. Use that often. It's very well loved. So these are some of the smaller appliances that I've put down here. In this little basket, we've got our vegetables, fresh vegetables, and then we have vinegars. Down here, this is a basket I got today. We're going to keep our waters and our sodas in that. And don't drink soda very often, but when we have them, that's where we'll keep it. When the pups come to visit, this is their stuff. And then this little basket also got today, that's going to house paper towels. All right, I hope you've gotten some good tips today. This system may work for you, may not work for you. At least maybe you can glean a few good ideas and incorporate them into your pantry. If you liked the video today, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you here today. This is a home and lifestyle channel. This is designer savvy, so I always try and show you ways to save money, to make the most of what you already have, incorporate new when you need to. If you have visited my channel before, or you are an existing subscriber, it's good to have you back again. If you know of someone who could benefit from these tips today, please share them. I'd love to have them as a subscriber as well. So I hope this has motivated you into cleaning up your pantry. And if it has, please leave me a comment below what you liked today. If there's anything that you would like to see in the future, I would love to hear about that. Would love to prepare a video about that. And I thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a fantastic week.